Well, at least the plants is wet. It's getting water. Where less is dry. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! It's so wet. It's extremely wet.
Yeah.
This is going to ruin your bag. This is going to ruin inside your bag, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh god!
Okay.
Holy camoly. That's where to stay.
Because there's more water in here than there is anywhere else.
I don't know how. Thank God it has some rain in your in your tea.
Do something.
I don't know how we do something. It's so chaotic. It's the wind and rain.
Very chaotic, he says. What do you mean chaotic? Well, you get your cuppa in, please.
Oh jeez. I didn't expect to see it coming right now because the weather was rough.
Just get that down and leave it out there.
Right.
Oh my god. At least you've got the book right here next to the cashews.
I'll put it on the table.
And we need to move that table back so we can check the book.
Yes.
Oh, by the way, thanks for the gallery. Picture gallery. Picture on the thing.
What is it you're doing? Jerry?
What are you doing there? Oh my god.
Right, what is it you're doing?
The weather.
That'll be alright.
Oh, no, it doesn't matter.
Come that way.
What is it you're trying to do?
There's the
Oh, yes.
water is wet there. Oh Jesus. That is so rough for the weather. Oh, it's back. The wet is back as wet.
That was a
Just
good
be
idea.
careful you don't like, don't move, because I'll get some towels.
Oh Jesus.
And I don't want you breaking your necks. I'll bring you
This
back
is so weather rough.
Right then. Well, anyway, we're going to social distance over there.
Yes, you
Oh,
go
yeah.
over there.
We're gonna social distancing there.
Take a drink.
Oh my god.
We're over here.
So we're gonna move over there now.
Right, I am going to have to, because otherwise I'm not going to get that door shut.
Oh gee. I'm glad to say it's wet now.
Does that need moving?
Yes, it does.
No,
No.
like wet. Doesn't matter.
It's wet.
What have we learned from this?
How do you know it's wet now?
Exactly.
Oh.
It's not raining where Tom is.
Is it?
No, it's
Oh,
not.
we're all up there. It's all
Let's take a look what his weather looks like now. Let's take a look at the front there, the front door. You'll see everybody is soaking, including this one where this yellow thing is. It's going to be covered in rain, especially the workers, especially the job, especially some people at work already, including Phil's doing work, and he got soaked. Phil's about to get soaked where the rain starts. Oh, poor Phil. Jesus, that's from my next door neighbour. Oh, possibly that one. Oh my gosh, I hope Phil's going to get soaked. That'll be quite bad. Will be bad. That will be bad right now. That'll be bad. Though that is quite noisy right now. This is quite noisy. A noisy weather.
What about the 2 metre distance?
We are 2 meters distancing right here, and I'm standing here.
Say to your mum, I could probably fit in the 2 metre distance.
I can feel with a 2 meter t-shirt. The t-shirt's right here next to you, so that is in the bag right here.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, all right then.
I can feel it on top of there now as well. You can feel it on top. It sounds like a rock. It sounds like hailstones.
Let's put it this way, George, the garden needs it.
Your garden needs some.
Right.
The garden needs some water though. It needs to see the drink. A lot of drink.
And where Uncle Tom
Yes.
Walthamstow, it's not raining at all.
Oh, it's not raining there.
So we're
at
all
all.
going up there.
Oh god, this is so rough for the weather.
Yes.
So rough. If you head off, if you're gonna dash off, run. It's not if you are slow, by the way.
It's got a light shower.
It's just a light shower I expect to see it coming. That is rough.
Hailstones or something. It's hailstones.
This is hailstones right now.
Hailstones.
Oh, it is hailstones. I told you I could say it.
I think we're just about got it in time.
That is a lot of hailstones. I can't hear you because of hailstones.
It's gonna be all right though.
I record it now. It's quite noisy. A lot of hailstones.
It's only a little shower.
Coming down the window.
Yeah, I know.
The gutter can't take it. Huh? Right, I've got two here. One George's bus or one mine. Put them in two. Have a look at that one. Yeah, I'm not very long.
About your eyes. Turn this way. Turn this way.
Swimming pool down there now.
I'm really bit in it.
Should I? Wait.
Shoo! Shoo! Shoo!
The weather. I've never seen anything like that before in my life.
It said light showers. It's all relative, you know, depending where they are showers.
That's fun, you know. That is a lot of fun. I can hear it there. Wow.